Hello guys, welcome back to my video. For this video, we will learn about expression with two brackets. So a lot of last video we already learned about solving equation or simplified expression with one bracket. So how about two brackets? So the first thing I want to introduce you is an expression with two brackets. We will got something like this: plus 4 multiplied with 4 plus x. So this is expression with two brackets, and you can simplify it, but the first thing you have to do is expand h bracket. The first bracket you got 2 times h plus 2, so very easy. You can expand this one by one, 2 times h first and then plus 2 times 3. The other bracket you got plus 4 times 4 plus 6, 4 plus x. 4 times 4 first, and in front of 4 here you got plus sign, it means positive. So positive times 4x is the same thing, you got positive 4x. So after that you will make it more simple, like calculation 16 plus 4 times x. So from now you have a new expression with 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and for each term you have a different form. So I just care about only x and constant number and constant number. So I will make a pair. You will have 2x here and plus 4x, and about the constant number you got 6 and 16. So just like simplify the longer expression to shorten expression. Yeah, you already learned about this one, but the difference between this form of exercise to last form you already learned that is you have to expand the bracket first, and then you will have the new expression, and then you can simplify it by combine x and x, constant number and constant number. Okay, so this is example 1, and 2x plus 4x you got 6x, and here is 22. This is 22. So that is the final answer for first expression. Okay, that is not too difficult, right? And in this one you already you just learn about two brackets in one expression, and the coefficient of x in this video is only 1. So the next video we will practice about this topic, but the coefficient is different to 1. Yeah. Okay, example 2. You have 3x minus 4, 5 times 4 plus x. Okay, so how can you simplify it? Expand one by one. The first bracket you got 3 times x and minus 3 times 4. The other one you got minus 5 times 4 and minus 5 times x. Okay, so you got 3x here minus 12, minus 20 and minus 5x. Okay, times 4 combine 3 times x minus 5 times x, like this. And about constant number you will set it stand together like this. So here is minus 2 times x, and here this is minus 32, because minus 12 minus 20 you got minus 32, and 3 times 5, 3 minus 5 you will have minus 2x, like this. Okay, that is example 2. A little bit difficult, alright? I think so. Question 3. You will got 4 times 10 minus x plus 3x minus 1. Okay, for this one you only have one bracket, but outside bracket you also have term of x and another constant number. So how can you work with this? You just want to expand the first bracket, 4 times 10 and minus 4 times x plus 3x in here is minus 1. So here you got 40 minus 4x plus 3 times x minus 1. Times 4 combine minus 4x and plus 3x will be stand together. 14 here you have no sign in front of 40, it means plus 40 and minus 1. So the final answer you will got minus x. Why I have minus x? Because minus 4 plus 3 you got minus 1x, and the other one you got 39. Yeah, 39 is my final answer for this question. Okay, so first three example, I hope you can understand a little bit. You got with this 4 minus 8 and minus 8 times 8 minus 5. Yes, very complicated about this one. You have two brackets, but both two brackets in here, you also have negative number outside that bracket. Okay, so how can you work with this one? One by one, you got negative 2 times 4. And you already know about, so working out for this kind of exercise, yeah? Negative 2 times negative 8, so how can you work with this? You have to write out like this first, and then another minus 8 times 8, and then minus 8 times minus 5. Simplify it first. Negative 2 times 4, you got negative 8. This one you got plus 2h. This is minus 8h, and this one plus 14. So for this one, you will got 2h minus 8h, and you got minus 8 plus 14. Minus 8 plus 40, so here is minus 6h. And for this one, you got minus 8 plus 40 is mean plus 32. Plus 32. Yeah, a little bit complicated about calculation, but I think when you see my solution, you can understand, because I make my working out so clearly, one by one, step by step, line by line. That is example 4. Example 5. Look at this. Negative 3h plus 10 minus 4 times h minus 9. Okay, so how can you work with this? Plus 10, and rewrite it first. And then you got minus 4 times h minus 4 times minus 9. And here you got minus 3h minus 4h plus 10 minus 4 minus 9, you got plus 36. Plus 36. So the first term for this pair, you got minus 7h, and the other term you got 46. That is example 5. Example 6, what mean you got negative 3 h minus 8 minus 8 9 minus 8. This question 6, you got two brackets with the number outside each bracket is negative number, so carefully about your writing. Minus 3 times 8. Another term you got negative 3 times negative 8 like this. So negative 8 times 9, negative 8 times negative 8. So for this one you got minus 24 plus 3 times 8, because you got negative 3 times negative 8. That's why you got plus 3h. And for this calculation, you got minus 72, and minus 8 times minus 8, you got plus 8h like this. And you can combine 3 times 8 plus 8 times 8. About constant number, minus 24 minus 72. This is 11h, and this one you will have 96. 96. Okay, that is the final answer for question 6. Go on to question 7. A little bit harder. You will have 6. 7 minus 8 minus 2 times 10 minus 8, and then minus 3h plus 9. Okay, two brackets and other term outside that bracket. So how can you work with this? Yeah, just one by one. 6 times 7 bracket the first bracket, expand the first bracket first. Expand first bracket. And then the next term you got minus 6 times 8. The second bracket you got minus 2 times 10 minus 2 times minus 8, and minus 3h plus 8. So simplify it, you got 42 minus 6h minus 20. Minus 2 times minus 8, you got plus 2h minus 3h plus 8. Yeah. So how many terms you have h in here? 1 term, 2 term, and 3 term. Okay. Negative 6h plus 2h negative 3x. Constant number 42, positive 42 minus 20 plus 8. So calculate for this one, you got minus 7x, and about this one you will got 30. Okay, that is question 7. Yeah, I think this kind of video is not easy, and you have practiced a lot about this one. For calculating very carefully, you have to give the final result is correct. So if you want to move another harder exercise, you have to make very correctly for this question first. Yeah, so my test will give you next video. I hope you can get 100% for final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.